Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today I'll be doing a September week 2 plan with me. So I'm gonna go to that spread. So I already sketched out that spread ahead of time. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let you guys know that I do not put Saturday, Sunday in this. Since this is a work planner, I do not put my weekends. I have another personal planner which I plan my weekends with. So here we have it. So I'm not gonna be writing in the Mondays. I'll be using some stickers for that. First, I'm just gonna do the boxes. So I'll be drawing all these lines first before I start the coloring, and then before the lavender flowers. I forgot these two lines here. So we're done. I'm just going to draw all the horizontal lines. I'm gonna make this as a checklist, so I'm gonna be doing all these little lines here, which will take a little time, so I will be fast forwarding the video, so you guys don't have to watch me write in the lines.
You're not the type to go out, to keep on searching, lost in the moment right now, but girl, you're hiding, and I have been looking so long. I know.
Drawing in some of these lines here.
What are we waiting for?
There. And then this is how it looks right now. I'm going to use my Tombow brush pen 603 to just kind of color in the lavender. I'm not coloring it perfectly, I'm just going over it like really quick. That's how it looks. I'm going to use these Monday to Friday stickers. The 7th till the 11th. So I have this purple washi, so I'm gonna put it right here. having a hard time since I don't have nails anymore. I'm trying to regrow my nails again. I cut them off because one of them chipped, and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna start over. These are really easy to rip. I also got some of these washi to put over here so it won't look awkward for just having one there. So I'm just gonna overlap these. So let's put this back. This is complete. Let's put this back into my mini HB bullet journal. So here's the final piece. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next week. Bye.